for a bill from West Marine, and I just thought I'd organize all of the bills for each supplier.
West Palm Beach. It's so pretty here. Everything's so clean. Yeah, nice. No, you gotta put it on this way. Guys, we've been walking for miles and we really thought 5 or 6 miles? Yeah, miles, not kilometers, okay guys. And I've got some blisters on my feet, on the back of my heel there, you know. I got a couple little rub throughs. I'm not wearing socks. Maybe my shoes were loose a bit, but
I wore socks, but my shoes are done up nice and tight as well.
Yeah, and the good thing though is that Sandy came along, because Sandy is prepared for these type of things, and I'm going to show you how she helps me. So this is what we're dealing with. But Sandy carries Band-Aids with her. Oh, don't be touching it.
Yeah, I gotta get this.
Pull that off.
Yeah.
That's easy.
So, now I feel...
Well, how do you feel, Sam?
I feel that it should go across horizontally, not vertically. I don't know.
Off.
Yeah, but the first one rubbed off because your shoe wasn't tight, so your shoe was flopping up and down. Now, is your shoe still flopping up and down? And
no,
you're not
my shoe fits great.
Okay. I can make a crisscross pattern because I have more bandages, but I will be running out because I only have...
So we'll get some when we get to Publix.
Well, I have tons at the boat.
Oh, okay then.
And I don't think you're going to need... I'm going to cross-hatch this. I'm going to put a second one on.
That's a beautiful foot.
Not really.
Thank you.
But I also would have wore socks, which I did, and I thought you should have too. But anyways, that's...
You didn't tell me to wear socks in the
I know,
morning.
but you know what? I thought you would have figured that one out yourself.
I can't.